are colspan and rowspan? Colspan is HTML attribute that allows us to merge two or more columns in one, and rowspan is HTML attribute that allows us to merge two or more rows in one. So anytime when we need to merge two or more columns in one, we will use colspan, or when we need to merge two or more rows in one, we will use rowspan.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate to our PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.